Trieste, long a pawn in Balkan politics, again is the scene of crisis. Italians, informed that American and British troops are being withdrawn, see the defiant Yugoslav signs across the barricade separating the two zones. Signs proclaiming that Yugoslavia will never give up the city. Meanwhile, jubilant Italians see the raising of their flag for the first time since 1945. A Big Three conference in London may well place the disposition of Trieste high on its agenda. On the other side of the controversy, mobs storm the American embassy in Belgrade, breaking several windows. Rioting throughout the city continues periodically for days, following defiant speeches in which Marshal Tito threatened invasion of the disputed zone. Reinforced security police are hard-pressed to restore order as excitement among the rioters amounts to fever pitch. Incidents such as these keep the Yugoslav capital in a turmoil, while diplomats mull over a problem that may find its way to the United Nations for decision. Trieste becomes a major threat to peace.